Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a handy feature in the latest WhatsApp update that lets you view all shared videos in a chat on the PC app. If you've ever wanted to revisit those fun moments or important clips you shared with friends or family, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can easily access all your chats. Next, find the chat you want to explore. This can be a conversation with friends, family, or any group you're part of. Once you've located it, click to open the chat. Now, look for the chat's name at the top of the screen. Click on it to open the Contact Info or Group Info section. This is where you'll find a wealth of information about the chat. In the Contact Info window, you'll see an option labeled Media. Click on it, and you will be taken to a gallery view of all the shared media within that chat. Finally, select Videos from the media options. This will filter the content, allowing you to easily find all the videos shared in that chat. Whether it's shared clips from memorable events or funny moments, everything will be neatly displayed for you to browse. And that's it. You've easily accessed all shared videos in a WhatsApp chat on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.